Hello everyone, welcome to Watch Service BD. In today's video, we review the beautiful Seiko Presage, automatic featuring the 4R35B movement. This versatile entry-level watch is known for its Japanese craftsmanship and classic dress watch style. In this review, we'll cover the design, build quality, movement performance, accuracy, and power reserve. So, let's dive in and learn more about the Presage watch. The first thing you'll notice about the Presage is its sleek dial. Depending on the model, it can feature a sunburst, textured, or cocktail-inspired finish, which looks far more expensive than its actual price tag. The polished case and applied indices provide a refined appearance for both formal and casual occasions. When you wear the Presage, it feels balanced and comfortable in your wrist. The case finish is outstanding, especially for a mechanical dress watch at this price point. Let's discuss the case and build quality. The Presage features a stainless steel case and hardlex crystal with an exhibition case back that allows you to see the 4R35B movement beneath. The simple, elegant rotor finishing adds a nice mechanical touch to the overall experience. Now let's talk about the heart of the watch, the 4R35B automatic movement. Key specifications: automatic with manual winding, 21,600 vibrations per hour, 23 to 24 joules depending on version, approximately 41 hours power reserve, hacking seconds, hand winding, date display. Seiko rates the 4R35B movement at approximately plus 45 to minus 35 seconds per day, with many real-world examples performing much better. In my experience, a properly regulated 4R35B often stays within about plus 10 to minus 20 seconds per day, which is perfectly acceptable for an everyday automatic watch. After a full manual wind of about 30 to 40 turns, the watch should run for around 41 hours, depending on how you wear it. What I like: beautiful dial finishing, reliable in-house movement, hacking and hand winding, exhibition case back, comfortable wear, excellent value for money. What I don't like: hardlex crystal is less scratch resistant than sapphire. Factory accuracy can vary. 50 meters water resistance isn't ideal for diving. Movement finishing is functional rather than luxurious. If you're looking for a stylish automatic dress watch with a dependable Japanese movement, the Seiko Presage with the 4R35B is a fantastic option. It offers authentic Japanese craftsmanship, a proven in-house movement, classic design, easy servicing, and strong resale value compared with many fashion brand watches. Of course, it's important to remember that its design and build quality might not be for everyone. If you'd like to learn more about the Seiko Presage, automatic with the 4R35B movement, be sure to leave a comment or ask a question. Thanks for watching Watch Service BD, and stay tuned for more great content.